Hi, I'm Amelia. I'm one of the dentists in the Duns practice.
And I'm Cara, and I'm one of the nurses in Duns. In March this year we went to Kenya and we did a few school lunches for over, is it 1,000 children?
Yeah, nearly 1,000
1,000 children. So we did a feeding programme.
Yeah, and we also taught just over 1,000 children about looking after their teeth and how to brush their teeth and just good lifestyle choices. So we went together with one of the other dentists from Infinity Blue, Anita, who works in the calendar practice, and one of their nurses, Christina. And Anita's family runs a charity called PNAF, where they look at sort of cardiovascular disease in local areas in Kenya, and they also do some oral health promotion. So we went with her and she very kindly hosted us, and we went around to 3 schools in her local area, which is in a rural area outside Nairobi called Kitengela, where it's not a touristy area, so it was very much a cultural experience for us as well. And there's lots of animals there, so we got to see that. But sort of the most important thing that we did, and the reason why we went, was to try and help to just promote looking after your teeth and good lifestyle choices with the help of Infinity Blue as well, who sponsored the school lunch programme. We were able to give the lunch to the children as well.
It was a very rewarding experience. I would definitely recommend if you can get the opportunity to go.
Yeah, or do anything like that, for sure.
Yeah.
The actual flight there was easy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then we got picked up, and then after being on just a normal road, within about 15 minutes we were on like a really rough track.
Yeah, and we seen a giraffe.
And we saw a giraffe.
About 20 minutes.
We'd only been in Kenya for 20 minutes.
Yeah. I think all the children they loved even having somebody there.
Just grateful.
Grateful that we went and teaching them something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, they don't have a lot, so they're super grateful for anything that you give them, and they're really, really eager to learn. And I think they really prioritise education and learning from people, because it's not something that they don't take it for granted. Yeah, so I learned just a different side of life, really. Like, a lot of these kids, they're walking, they're getting up at 6 a.m, they're walking 3 or 4 miles to school every day. They
don't normally get lunch.
They're probably, they're not getting sort of the food that we would expect to get, or kids here would expect to get, but they don't lack ambition. They're all full of happiness. They're super excited. They're full of energy.